I have done everything, the test, everything, it works. It works. So now it's just a matter of waiting for the market to do what it does. But it really holds you accountable for entering right, making sure your habits are lined up. It's making you be on your P's and Q's.
Yeah.
And then it's making sure you're not risking too much money. So imagine how many people say, I know I have one friend that lost like 40K in November, right? But even to us trading every single day, every single week, at some point having an entry, we haven't even lost anything. So starting the new year, we're only down 1,000. That's easy to recover when every single $100 account has went to 1,000. So it's giving you your downside is only that $100 account. Once the market starts building, though, so say if I went from 100 to 150K in like 2, 3 weeks, because it just depends on how long it takes. Sometimes the first one I did, when I did that on the Forex side, it was a 60K account, but I built from 100 on the Forex side. The recent one was on the crypto side. Both of the accounts is the same bill with the same information, just different asset classes. If for some reason I catch the wrong trend and I blow the account, that would bring the account to negative. But really, the broker
Mm.
tries to pay themselves out way before it gets to negative, so they'll cash you out the trade. But now we're looking at they got the free margin, and the margin percentage level.
Yeah.
Now what I've noticed, watching it more, trying to get faster, is the margin percentage level is what we're watching in order to see if we can get an entry into the market, if that makes sense. So
Nice.
that percentage, if you pay attention to it, it's gonna start typically pulling people out at 70%. But because we're trading on the equity of the account, sometimes we can even get that pullout level down to like 30, 40, 20% because our entries are so good at the
Mm.
market.
Yeah.
Really, if it's able to take every entry, it absolutely will. But if they cannot, it's literally automatic trading. People love the Teslas because they drive themselves. The market will literally drive your $100 account all the way to your first seven figures. All it requires is patience. So I would always tell people, if I ever lost everything, my plan was always, because I started with the service industry, right? So I was a
Yeah.
waiter, and my goal was always, all right. So if I lost everything, I would get $500 by serving tables. Go get a job at some big restaurant, and usually you can make $500 a week. Go through training, so on and so forth. But every account will start at $50 to $100, just like I did when I was a beginning trader. But back then, I didn't have the skill. If I lost everything and I have the skill now, go get a job and flip small accounts until these accounts get to 10K, because 10K is the magic number. If we can go from 100 to 10K, the way that we're doing it now,
Mm.
it's a matter of time. Like the I've done it from on the GBP JPY account. I did 30 $40 account into 9,000 in one morning. So it's a matter of when the market's gonna give it to you. But the constant variable in every situation of every week, every day, every session is the way that I approach the market. Every market